Everyday carry. The Kershaw Blackwash is my pocket knife of choice. Made with a 3.4-inch Sandvik steel blade with a blackwash finish that resists corrosion and hides scuffs. It's not flashy. It's not tactical theater. It's a tool. Opening boxes, cutting cord, food prep, real life stuff. That's what I use every single day. Next is the Olight 5R EOS. Compact but bright. Around 600 lumens. USB-C rechargeable. And simple to pocket clip. In real life, you don't always need a weapon. You need clarity. Light lets you see what you're moving toward, not just what you're moving away from. The TRAVANDO's men's wallet with RFID blocking keeps cards and cash slimly organized without a thick brick in your pocket. Comfort matters just as much as capability. Keys to home, keys to the Challenger. A Bic Lighter, cheap, reliable, and practical. The Gerber Suspension-NXT Multitool, small, everyday functions at your fingertips. Tiny, but still mighty. Gives you pliers, blade, drivers, and cutters in one slim pack. The Core Essentials X6 gun belt. A good belt is the foundation of carry comfort. The Core Essentials X6 with gunmetal buckle gives micro adjustments, sits flat under shirt, and distributes weight. The Incog X holster. It's comfortable enough for all-day wear, secure enough to forget it's there, versatile enough to move with real life. I can run an appendix carry on body or detach it and mount it inside my grab bag using hook and loop. Same holster, 2 rolls. This is my current carry, the Springfield Echelon 4.0 Compact. Not because it's the only great choice, but because it fits my hand naturally. The grip angle, balance, controls, they feel intuitive. In a stock configuration, and paired with the Holosun SCS 320 red dot on top, it gives me a solar assist with rugged design and a clear sight picture. A weapon light like the Streamlight TLR7 HLX gives visibility where you need it. The grab bag Marshall. Everyday carry isn't just what's in your pockets. It's what you bring with you when life stretches beyond them. This is the grab bag Marshall, my go-to carry bag when I want options, organization, and comfort on the move. Inside you got moly loop lining, not tactical decoration. Real modular space for medical tools or essentials you actually use. Foam backing makes a huge difference. If you're carrying for hours, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a requirement. A man carries gear not because he fears life, but because he respects it. Preparedness is comfort, and comfort is calm in the unexpected. Simple and durable. It's predictable, reliable, and easier to train with consistency. This is my everyday carry for 2026. Check out the links in the video if you want to grab some of these items for your EDC.